Welcome to English with Adrian, and for the very first lesson we're going to talk about nouns. What are they? What is a noun? And how do you use them? And we're going to find out right now. So nouns are 4 or 5 things. Names, what some things are called, what something is, a car or a tree. Then object, what that thing actually is, a phone, camera, pen, or even a concept. So not just physical, tangible things, but things that we feel, things that we are. Like we can be nervous, or we can talk about the truth, or we can be talking about happiness, being happy, something more, less tangible, feeling of happiness, or the opposite, sadness. Or even we can talk about other abstract things like danger. It's dangerous over there, don't go there. Ooh. And then also people and places, like Adrian. My name is Adrian. A name is a noun. Wow. Adrian, or even London. Then you look on a map, look on an atlas. London, Beijing, Berlin, Paris, Washington DC. There's whole pages of nouns if you look at an atlas. And pick anyone else as well. Like, what's your name? What is your name? Comment below, because that, I can guarantee right now, is a noun. But it is worth understanding when to use a versus an when talking about nouns. If the noun starts in a vowel, the AEIOU, then we use an elephant. Or if it doesn't start in a vowel, it's a car, the consonants, and the vowels, AEIOU. But it's worth understanding also that when the vowel is stressed in the word, like FBI, we use an then. So when the vowel is stressed, FBI agent and FBI agent, we use an. Worth understanding that when it comes to nouns. So let's look at some of those nouns and how they are in the past, present and future tense. So the truth has been revealed. The truth, what's really out there, the truth has been revealed. Present, Thomas is late to the party. Future, one day we might have flying cars. It's worth understanding that nouns can be both the subject and the object of a sentence. So in this case the object then, so who broke the phone? Who broke the phone? On the subject even, so Adrian is in charge around here. Remember, the object is the thing being acted upon in the sentence, and the subject is the person or thing acting in general in the sentence. So again, Adrian is in charge around here, and who broke the phone? So let's look at singular and plural, and how they affect nouns. So remember that singular is just one, a pen, one pen. Plural is 2 plus or something, book, and books, all along here. So let's say the teacher was in the class. I am the teacher. And we say in plural, the teachers, with an S, were in the class. You are the students, with an S. You are the students. I am the teacher. It's worth understanding that in sentences, was and were are changed to accommodate the singular or plural. So in this case, the teacher was. There's one teacher, the teacher was in the classroom. Over here then, the teachers were in the classroom. Subtle difference, worth understanding, and how things changed ever so slightly with singulars and plurals. But because English is a bit of a crazy language, and it's got origins from all over Europe, some words don't have a clear plural. Remember, 2 plus of things. So there's regular and irregular nouns. So we have book. Books. Few books with an S. Nice and simple, straightforward. We have car. Honk honk. Turns into cars. Phone. Turns into phones. Nice and straightforward. We're liking it so far. But irregular, ugh, where it gets really irregular. Man. So there's one man over there, but there's men. There's men over here. And we have tooth. One tooth, but teeth. Ah, teeth. It gets wild. And then mouse. Cheep cheep. Well, maybe little mouse. There's one mouse. But hold on. If there's more than one mouse, we say mice. Mice. Just mice everywhere. One subtle weird thing understanding about it. How weird is that? With imperatives. But what's an imperative? An imperative is telling people what to do. Orders, commands, instructions, signs on the walls, things like that. So you could say, bring me the pen. Remember, pen being an object, bring me the pen. Or how can I make you happy? Remember, concepts, not always physical things we can touch. So happy, sad. How can I help you not be nervous? Ooh. Or bring me the book. The book. Bring me the book. Or how about this then? Subscribe. How about you press the subscribe button? That's a command. That's an imperative. So we're also understanding that how, the who, what, where, when, why sentences are used to make imperatives. Who is that over there? Who is that man over here? How is your teeth? Or how are your teeth feeling? What's happening here? What is that pen doing? What's the cat doing? Things like that. How cool is that? So then let's look at no versus not and how to use them with nouns. So remember, plural and singular. Everything, the whole sentence revolves around plural or singular. How many are we dealing with? If it's 2 plus or 1. Singular, plural. So this is not your book. This is not your book. No, it's mine. There are no books here. So again, if we're talking about 2 plus of the nouns, then it's going to be no. There is no help. There is no one here. This is not your book. That, not this, that is not your chair. This is not your whiteboard. Worth knowing that. This is not your pen. How cool is that? But then also nouns can be used with prepositions. Preposition being where things are. So let's have a look. So excitement, again a concept, a feeling, an emotion. And there is excitement about the party. There is excitement for the event. There's always excitement about something. Or a hope of rain, hope of snow, a hope for joy, a hope for praise, things like that. Hope of. And solution, finding an answer, the thing that will solve your problem. The solution to the question, the solution to the problem. So we can use different prepositions of, for and about in conjunction with a noun to create a bit more of a complicated sentence. Excitement about. Excitement about the party. What is all the excitement about the holiday? You tell me. Your holiday, you tell me. But let's also look at this thing of compound noun. What's a compound noun? So it's a noun plus noun added together. It's two nouns together. So let's look at the noun tooth, one, and paste, paste. That equals toothpaste. But what is toothpaste? You tell me. Alright, cleaning your teeth. Yeah. But then let's look also at this. White. White, like this. White and bored. Not bored as in, Board. Not that kind of board, but this. This is a board. So we get whiteboard, the thing that we're writing on. Whoop, the thing that we're writing on. A whiteboard. So two nouns can come together to create something new. Toothpaste, whiteboard. How cool is that? And that's nouns for you. That's pretty much nouns. But I might cover them more so in future videos. There's more videos to come. So subscribe, comment below, subscribe, hit that like button. It's waiting for you. It's waiting for you. Like the red button. What is it? Over there? Is it over there, is it? Or is it over here? I'm not sure which one it's in. We're not sure which corner it is in. Not yet anyway. So subscribe, comment, click that like button. There are so many more videos to come. And I'll see you soon. But for those special few that hang around to the very end of the video, I got a nice bonus for you. Yeah, just for you. Countable and uncountable. What does that mean? Well, countable means something you can count. You can count how many there are. So, phone and book, or books. I have 2 phones. I have 1 phone. I have, I don't know how many books I've got here. 30. I have 30 books. 30 books. I can count them. So we're going to give a number. 1, 2, 3, you know the rest. But unlikewise, if that's even a word, we have uncountable, things we can't count. Like, realistically you can count them, but it's ridiculous and it's just like way too complicated. So you've got a glass of water. How much water have you got in here? Well, you got 1,02,792,000,000 atoms of water. No one's going to say that. I have some water. I have a little bit of water. I've got a lot of water. I have plenty of water. Or even, there's enough sand on the beach. We have enough water to survive a day. We only have 2 books left. They're only selling 1 phone at a time. So the countable and uncountable does change the way you approach the noun. Plenty, enough, not many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or even you could say I have a few books left. I got 1 or 2 over there, here and here, here and there, here and there. He has a couple of phones, 2, maybe 4, something like that. But the uncountable, always going to be enough, plenty, some, few, not enough. Just a subtle way of looking at some of the nouns. How cool is that? Don't forget, click on the subscribe button. Plenty more English with Adrian to come. How cool is that?